Hello everybody, happy Friday and welcome to our science class. Listen and see if you can guess what is the science project about. Can you hear that? It's about winter time. We are making a lovely science craft with the things we find in winter time. So just like Miss Joy told you before, in wintertime, the trees don't have leaves anymore. They look like this one, dry and look, brown, no leaves. And if you look on the floor, you might see leaves like this one, brown and dry. And that means it's winter. We're not in fall anymore. They're not yellow, they're not green or red. They're completely dry and brown. So I thought, why not make a lovely craft? Even during winter, we can have so much fun. So you will need a leaf like this and also clay, white one or brown one, because we are making, ta-da, coasters. This is something that I made already. I need to wait for it to dry, okay? If it's brown clay, you need to cook it for 20 minutes and then you paint it. If it's white one, the kind that you don't need to cook, like mine, it's even better. So what do you need? You need also paint. Could be watercolors or these acrylic ones, okay? And as I said before, your leaf, because we need to make the shape. And also some round shape like this. It needs to be hollow in the middle because we need to cut our coasters. And also a paintbrush. And if you can get wet wipes because you might get dirty. And a plastic wrap like this one to put underneath your clay. So I'm gonna be showing you this way so you can take a good look to what Miss Joy is doing. You can make as many coasters as you like for your family because this is actually a very lovely project. So I got my clay. You see, not too much, just about a ball, medium size ball of clay. And I put it on my plastic wrap and I press. You might want to stretch it out a little bit, not too thin, not too thick. Just imagine that you need to put a cup on top of it. So it needs to be of a good kind of a good amount of clay, okay? So it can hold the cup or the hot or cold cup because we might have to put something hot or cold. So once we stretch the clay, we do the next step, which is cutting out our circle shape. That's why we needed this item, anything that you want to use. So here we go. We leave it in a side because we are going to use it again. So you can make as many coasters as you like for your family. I got 1 and 2 in case I have a visit. So what do I do next? I get my leaf. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. And do you see this bottom part, the one that has the veins and all the shape? Not the top part, not this part, because this part is plain and you can't really feel the texture. So you want to put the one from the bottom. You see, you could actually feel the little veins and the steam from the leaf. So we get it, and we press, and we are going to use this item again to press on the leaf against the clay. So we want to make sure that this clay gets the shape of these amazing leaves and capture the true essence of this winter time. Da 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 da. We press all around. What do we see here? Ta-da! Can you see? You can actually see the shape. But for a better look, we do the next thing. This is the part where we put the paint. So Miss Joy chose green, and once you put the paint, if it's a dark color, is even better, because you would actually get to see the shape, because it's white clay. If you get a light color, let's say yellow or pink, you won't really get to see much of the shape of the leaf. Ta-da-da-da! Do you see? Can you take a look at that? Do you like it? When it's dry, you can actually see it better. When this gets dry, you will get to see the shape of your leaf even better, because it gets darker once it gets dry. How about that? Let's do another. So I will repeat the same process. So you don't have to do it with the whole leaf, as you can see, because coasters come in all kinds of sizes and all kinds of styles. So this could be your own design. And press, press, press. You can choose different leaves. Actually, it could be nice if you can get different ones from your garden. Ta-da-da. Okay, that's done. I'm going to change colors. So I get one wet wipe. This is why I said we might need the wet wipe before. I get one wet wipe. And let's see. I want to do this one in red. Like that, I will get to see the shape of my leaf even better, because it's a dark color. And it's also very lovely. It works for winter and autumn. If you want, you can mix them. You can mix a little bit of yellow with a little bit of red, and you will get a nice wintry color. You don't have to buy everything, you see? You can actually make lovely presents and lovely crafts within the things you have at your house, or you can get them easily at the supermarket and have a forever memory of this lovely winter. Da-da-da-da-da. We spread, spread, spread. Let's see what does it look like in red. Ta-da! Do you see? You could actually see the shape, each one of these veins of the lovely leaf, and we can capture the things we find in winter. I hope you like this activity.